Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, may you introduce yourself, sir?
Afambo Ezudo Ikem W. Abbas. The Ezudo of Isolo Local Government, Lagos State.
Okay.
And the Vice President, Ndigbo, worldwide.
Okay. As the Vice President of Ndeze worldwide and an elderly Igbo statesman, what should be your advice to some of the Igbos that people are complaining about who go about giving themselves unnecessary titles or raising controversies here and there? What should be your advice to them?
Otego ge ifane mene wutanrinne. Because most of the problems, all accusations to Ndeze Igbo Nozuije, they are the cause, they are the architect of it, which most of them are not Ezes, they are not our members, we don't know them. But anything bad they did, we come back to, we reflect on our jobs and to our own disgrace, which we don't like. We have been warning them to stop doing that type of behavior, but some of them refused because some of them don't have any means of livelihood than going about giving people titles like Eze, Obi, and so on.
Is there any plan to raise punitive measures against some of these people doing this?
Yes, our plans is on board now, and this is why we are making this press conference to tell people and to tell the world about their behavior, that they are doing this type of thing at their own risk. Thank you.
Thank you.